I can see lots of bumps and we're recording.
Great. Okay. We are about to finish our filtration, but I have the flask at this angle just so you guys can see. There are still chunks of ice in here, as there will be for your product. That's what these bumps are. And also notice there's a big off-white lump in the middle there. So we're going to be purifying. Can the students actually see that? No.
A little bit.
Let's just, I'll just carry on.
Yeah, now we can see it. You just gave us a great angle right there,
All
Dr.
right.
Pennington.
So the fact that this yellow lump is here, it's not a big deal because we're going to be purifying our product anyway. The last thing that I want to show you guys is this was the original flask that I had the product in, and you can see there's a bunch still on the sides. What I'm doing right now is I just had some chilled ice cold water, and I'm going to add in a little bit to try and get some of the aspirin off the sides here. I'm just trying to maximize my percent yield. So I'm going to pour some in. It does not need to be a huge amount. I'm going to pour this in and I'm going to swirl to try and get the stuff off the sides. All right? You can put your thumb on top and shake it around a little bit. Just make sure that if you do, your thumb is on top. You don't want to spray it all around the hood. Notice I didn't get everything out, but that's okay. I'm going to pour this in. The fact I didn't get everything out is not a big deal. This amount of chemical, this amount of aspirin in here is not going to change my yield to any significant degree. So we'll just clean this flask out and we'll be done with it. And all we're going to do is carry on the filtration process. To get rid of the ice chips in here, the easiest way to do that is to just rinse it out with distilled water. Ideally cold distilled water, all right? So I shouldn't have put this here at all. Cold distilled water, all right? So all I'm gonna do is pour the cold distilled water over here. This will help to remove any water-soluble impurities and will have the added benefit of melting the ice. Because all we want of the product is all we want at the end is our solid product. You guys can't see this, but the blob that was kind of yellow is now more white. I'm just trying to describe as well as I can, even though you guys can't see it. Once you've added in the water and the ice is all melted, you'll have a solid product in here. We'll show you that in the next video.